from my trash pile.
God dang
A little
trash.
bit more memory on this phone. Let me see. Oh yeah, 15 minutes, I'm good. Yeah, much better.
I love that sound.
Yeah, it's got a nice little startup wine. You know, this actually would have looked really good in the spare bedroom of my old house.
Oh, yeah.
Nice little fan for that.
Yeah.
Or if it fit in your hallways.
Nah, it's too wide. I mean, it might.
Would it fit in the downstairs hallway, like in the basement area?
No, not in the old house.
No.
The old house, you couldn't fit anything bigger than a 30-inch down there.
This fan I could see being in your entry, though.
This might actually fit in the hallways here at this house.
Awesome.
Actually, this would make a really good laundry room fan if it wasn't, you know, if it was white.
Yeah. I wonder if they made white. I think they only made brass and antique.
They might have made white and brass.
I'm sure there was a white version.
Too bad the princess is all clapped.
Clapped.
Jonah's full. I think it was mine. I was fucking with it after.
It was a group effort. It was a group
Yeah,
effort.
Iris, if you want to make your fan more ghetto.
Don't ghetto this fan. I love this thing. Well, other than the light, it just doesn't work right now. This thing is freaking nice.
Yeah, it is.
What was that? Is that ghost clippings? Alright, thanks for watching.